I'm thinking about starting my own business.
That's exciting. Have you thought about what kind of business you want to start?
I'm thinking about starting a catering business.
You'll be able to make your business successful only if you have a passion for cooking and a talent for creating delicious dishes.
I love cooking, and I've been practicing and honing my skills for years. I think I have what it takes to make it work.
That's great to hear. But remember, talent is not everything, you need planning too. Only if you have a solid business plan, you'll be able to attract investors and secure funding for your business.
Absolutely. I'm working on putting together a detailed business plan that outlines my goals, strategies, and financial projections.
Excellent. And make sure to do market research too. You'll only be able to position your business for success if you have a clear understanding of your target market and your competitors.
Of course. I've been doing some market research and studying my competition to find ways to stand out and offer something unique. I've been reaching out to local farmers and suppliers to establish relationships and negotiate favorable terms.
That's a smart move. And only if you have a strong network of suppliers and partners, you'll be able to source the best ingredients and equipment at the right prices.
Surely.
What about staff? What is your plan on hiring employees? Only if you have a team of dedicated and skilled employees, you'll be able to deliver high quality service to your clients.
I'm planning to hire a team of experienced chefs and servers who share my passion for food and customer satisfaction.
Sounds like you're on the right track.
I'm committed to staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the industry and always looking for ways to improve and innovate.
That's the attitude you need to succeed. You'll only be able to make your business dreams a reality if you have all these factors in place and are willing to put in the hard work and dedication required.
I really want to go on a road trip this summer.
That sounds like fun. Do you have a specific destination in mind?
Not really. I just want to explore some new places and have an adventure.
Well, we can only make it happen if we have a reliable car.
That's true. I'll make sure to get the car checked out and make any necessary repairs before we leave.
And only if we have enough money saved up for gas and accommodations, we can make it all the way there and back.
I'll start setting aside some money from each paycheck so we can cover those expenses.
We need to come up with a plan. We can make the most of our time on the road only if we have a solid plan for where we're going and what we want to see.
I'll do some research and come up with an itinerary that we can follow.
Sounds good. We should not forget about supplies. We can only be prepared for any unexpected situations if we have the right gear and supplies.
I'll make a list of everything we might need, like a first aid kit, water bottles, and a spare tire.
Great idea. Let's start preparing.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.